Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. Now I discuss about the Panchayati Raj that comes in the health system in India. The Panchayati Raj is a three-tier structure of the local self-government in India, linking the village to the district. The three institutions are first is the Panchayat at the village level, Panchayat Samiti at the block level, Jila Parishad at the district. At the villages level, the Panchayati Raj at the village level consists of the Gram Sabha, second the Gram Panchayat, and third the Naya Panchayat. Nyaya Panchayat. Gram Sabha, first is the Gram Sabha. It is the assembly of all the adults of the village who meets at the least twice a year. The Gram Sabha considers proposals for the taxation, discusses the annual program, and elects the members of the Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat. It is the executive organ of the Gram Sabha and an agency for planning and development at the village level. Its strength varies from 15 to 30 and the population covered also varies widely from 5,000 to 15,000 or more. The member of Panchayat hold office for a period of 3 to 4 years. Every Panchayat has an elected president, that is Sarpanch or Sabapati or Mukhiya, a vice president and a Panchayat secretary. The powers and functions of the Panchayat secretary are very wide. They cover the entire field of the civic administration, including sanitization and public health, and of the social and economical development of the villages. Next is at the block level. The block is a unit of rural planning and development and comprises approximately 100 villages and about 80,000 to 1,20,000 population. The Panchayat Raj agency at the block level is Panchayat Samiti, Janpad Panchayat. The Panchayat Samiti consists of all the sarpanches of the village panchayats in the block. MLA, MP residing in the block area, representatives of women, scheduled castes, scheduled tribe and cooperative societies. The block development officer BDO is the ex officio secretary of the Panchayat Samiti. The prime function of the Panchayat Samiti is execution of the community development program in the block. The funds provided by the government for stage 1 and stage 2. The development and channeled through the Panchayat Samiti. The block development officers and his staff give the technical assistance and guidance to the village panchayat engaged in the development work. In today's class, I discuss about the Gram Panchayat, and there are the three institutions of the Panchayat Raj at the village level and the block level. In next class, I discuss about at the district level. Thank you for watching.